Hello, my name is Ian. I'm just gonna jump right in, so none of that intro stuff. So just what I'm gonna be teaching you guys is basics of C and just like how to make a watch face on Cloud Pebble. So we're gonna be developing a Pebble app or watch face. Right. Watch face in this video. We're going to develop a watch face with C. So what you're going to need to do is go to, if you don't already have one, or if you don't already have an account, go to Cloud Pebble. Just can look that up. Just click on that. If you don't, you can click sign in, which will be right here. So yeah. Next thing that you're going to want to do is go open a new tab. Go to developer.pebble.com. It's already saved there, so just press enter. Go to tutorials. This is just so you don't have to type it all. It's just easier, I guess, that way. So create C watch face. You're just gonna click on that. Oh, this link will also be in the description. Yeah. So I guess what you want, depending on what you want, if you want, so like if you, let's see, customize your watch face. You're just gonna click on that. You don't really need to specify what thing you have or watch you have. I'm using a Pebble Time Steel, I'm using a Pebble Time Steel, and I also have a Pebble Classic. So these are the operating systems that each Pebble has. So Applet is square or rectangular with only black and white, which runs on Pebble and Pebble Steel. Basalt, Pebble Time, and Pebble Steel, it's also got color, chalk, color, and it's round. So those are kind of cool, but they're not waterproof and the battery only lasts for 3 days. So sadly, depending on what you want your watch to do, you can do, so if you just want time, or if you just want the time like that, not necessarily with that design, just the time, then you are going to just click edit in Cloud Pebble. If you want weather content, you can just click on that, edit in Cloud Pebble. It'll show up like that. Well, we're going to customize it, and then watch app. No, and then if you want to add more features like battery meter and date, so if you want the date on it, you can just go edit in Cloud Pebble. Oh wait, hold on. Never mind. No date for now, because it doesn't give us a template. So just click edit in Cloud Pebble. I'm not going to be using the weather for now, but you can if you want. It's pretty simple. So what you're going to do first is, I guess, so you're gonna, if you're not already familiar with Cloud Pebble, it's like a workspace that you can make apps and watch faces on, rather than downloading the SDK, or I think that's what you do with that. Not sure, but it's just online. Can go onto it anywhere. It's like Google Drive, but for your Pebble. So, and if I click run, it will. This part's cool. It's kind of funny what they did there, but it will show like a emulator or like a example of what it will look like on the watch, and you can interact with it. So see, it'll do that, and you can click on the buttons and do that kind of stuff. So rendering cats, polishing monocles, that's it's funny. Firing missiles. So once that's done, it'll show it's installing like a normal Pebble would, and it's successful. So that's what it looks like essentially. looks like that. And then this is your timeline. So, okay, there we go. So, basic, very basic. If you can turn a computer on, you can probably do this. So, not this code, but just getting the template to here. So once you have the template here, what you're going to do is just keep it as to name it something you want. Like I'm going to name it Iain's. I think that's how you spell this. Never mind. Ooh, tutorial watch face. Cool. Oh yeah, that's from a video before this. I screwed up a lot. We are not going to be changing this. Just it doesn't work out very well. I'm gonna figure out how to do that and make a video for it. So app kind watch face, just keep it like that. This is for what kind of watch you have. So if you want it to run on the Pebble and Pebble Steel, then you can just check that, and then it will run. If you want Basalt, then you can check that, or Chalk. This is Pebble Round, Pebble Time, and just a regular Pebble. So black and white, color in a circle. So it's right there, Pebble Time. So if you don't want it to run on a certain one, like the colors, if you're using hex codes, which I will not be doing, but if you're using hex codes, then you're probably going to want to uncheck this because it won't run hex codes very well. So, yeah. Or yeah, it just like the thing won't show up as clear, so it'll be the background color on applet. Or applate, I'm not sure what that is. Always visible, just click that. Tutorial, short name will appear on the watch, so like if you're scrolling through your watch faces, then you want to change it, this is what you'll be doing. This is what will show up. So I'm just going to name it Iain's tutorial watch face. Long app name, Iain, ITWF. Menu image, you will be able to do that in a second, so I'm just going to make this code. Wait, hold on. I just want to make it something cool. So we're going to go over that in a second. Company name, I'm just going to make this Iain_Mon. You can, that's what will, developer's name, that's already mine, so. This is super complicated. I'll get that in another video once we're done customizing it and it runs and it doesn't crash or fail. And then you're all ready to put it on the Pebble App Store, which is pretty cool. So, this is just super complicated. I've had lots of problems with this before. JS, you know what, just don't mess with that. I don't really know what that is. This is, so once you're all done with settings, it saves automatically. So I'm just going to uncheck, you know what, whatever. Timeline. Yeah. Compilation, that's just like if you want to install it on your phone. Your Pebble, you already have to have a Pebble, and it has to be associated with the same account that you logged in to Cloud Pebble with, and you can just click in. Hold on, I'm going to do it really quick. So what you're going to want to do is unlock your phone, obviously, and then, hold on, let me charge it. It's low. So you're just going to unlock your phone. Go to Pebble Time. It's charging. You're just going to... No, please don't open iPhoto. Thank you. You're going to go to... You can add a new watch. Cool. Developer mode. You're going to want to turn that on. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. It has never worked for me. When I'm not connected to Wi-Fi or LTE, or if I'm connected to LTE, just make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. preferably the same Wi-Fi that you're connected to. I think that's how it works. And then just click install and run, and it will establish a connection. Preparing to install app, and it will hopefully install on my phone. Ooh, it did. Okay, cool. So yeah, I just got it on my Pebble. Cool. So yeah, it's very basic. It's super simple, but we are going to change it, and it's going to look cool. It's not going to look awesome, but it's just going to get the job done, and you can tell your friends that you have coded a watch with C programming or whatever it is. So let's go over what all of this stuff does. Well, let's skip that. So just get to here. I've learned C like about a week ago, or not really learned, just kind of figured some parts of it out. So right here, you can. This is the editing window. These are your resource files and then your resources, or source files and resources like images and fonts. And then this is your code that tells the things what to do and how to lay out the resources. So what you're going to want to do, or you know what, actually what I'm going to do is going to delete this just right off the bat because I do not really like this thing. This is 13 by 9. Or wait, 13.8 by 69. I'm just going to put that in here and find it. Oh, multiplication. I'm just going to go to images. Wow, it's a bunch of towels. Cool. No, I'm just going to look up something. Just going to look up coding. Because that's what we're doing. So, coding. Search tools. Thank God for this. And then exactly width. That doesn't work. So I'm just going to find. Wow. Okay, nothing for coding, I guess. So I guess what next you're going to do is I'm just going to delete this because I just want a plain watch face. Cannot be undone. Okay. Then Command F. I love this so much. Background. So resource ID background. You can just delete all of this. This means nothing since you deleted that. If you run it with this file or with this file, sorry, not file. With this code, it'll be pointing to this resource, which I just deleted, so it will fail. I can show you actually right now that it will fail. I promise you. Or actually, wait, hold on. Let me run it on. See, it just failed. So what you're going to want to do is just delete this. Just delete 30 line 33, 34, 35. Just backspace. Once you are done with that, then you're good with the that design will not be there anymore. So you don't have to. Also, the text will show it black because that is the same color that the background is, and we're going to change that in a second. Okay. Installed. Okay. Oh, it installed on my Pebble. Oh. Sorry. Yes, on my Pebble it is completely black. So we're just gonna reinstall this on the emulator really quick. Booting emulator. So it is all black because the text is black as well as the background. So we're going to change that. Really quick, we are going to do so right here in line 45 and under. This is the text layer set. Sorry, I've got background highlighted. Command F. Okay, there we go. Text layer, time layer. So this is going to be your time. So it's clear right now. So I guess black. I don't know why. Let's make this blue moon. Okay. And the text color, blue moon. Oh, this is going to be the background, I guess. Okay. So I guess I'm going to make this, light gray. And this is going to be cyan. There we go. So it's going to, okay. Why did that fail? Oh, didn't have it capitalized. Make sure you have your colors capitalized. So, I'm just going to run this. So when it's like, if it says G, capital C in color, and then capital, then your color, and it'll show you a list of colors. So you can't just put anything in. So it does look like that. I'm going to try to make it different. Font. So I'm just going to see what happens if I do this. You know what? Never mind. Bad idea. We're not going to change the font right now. I'm going to figure that out later and show you guys. Let's see, background color. So what do we want the background color to be? We want it to be light gray. I want it to be light gray, and see if it changes the rest. There we go. So that looks kind of nice, I guess. Yeah. So if you guys want to stop there, you can if you want. So that's basically what it is. You can just set any color you want. But to get more in depth, that'll have to be in a later video. So I'm just teaching you guys how to make super basic app. Okay, so all of this code and this makes that. Tell the time. Yeah, and also I want to see if you can make it not 24-hour time. Let's see, 12-hour, please. Oh. Cool. So if you have a preference on the 24-hour, nope, don't want that. Then run it, see if it works. Cool. So it now says 7 o'clock. yeah, so I guess you could just leave it at 24 hours. Yeah, it will get the preference. So I think I might change it later, but for now, this is your watch face, and you can also add text, I believe. So text layer set. Okay. I will look into putting text on it. Also, there is a cool website. I will put it in the description below, but you can you can take any watch face or app, change the colors of it, if it's a black and white one, or even if it's not. You can change the colors of it. You can add text to it, I believe. You can rotate it, map the buttons. So if you press so for example, Tiny Bird, if you press the up button, it does that jumpy thing. If you press the select button, or if you can change it so if you press the select button, then it will do that jumpy thing. So just that's an example. Other than that, I don't really know what else to cover. But thank you for watching. Also, I was going to save this stuff until the end. So, my name is Ian. I develop stuff for Pebble, I guess. I try to, at least. But I like doing this kind of stuff. But, I've only made a few apps. But I guess I'm going to put this on the App Store. So you can find this at, let's see, Remy, you can find this at ITWF. So if any of you want to just look that up on the Pebble watch face search, then this will come up. So it's not very exciting. They're way better watch faces than that. Like one of my favorite is Trump. Just look up Trump dance. You will be amazed. And label printer, analog, boxy face, Weatherland. Tilt is pretty cool. And circle. So all of those are pretty cool. Oh, and Tiwi or Taiw. I don't know how to say it, but it's spelled Tiwe. So thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video if you did. But other than that, just good luck on your watch, and I will be making more videos similar to this one.